Mm-hmm. Okay, thank you very much. Somebody else wants to tell me about the video for this week? Mm-hmm. Okay. Ruth, what can you tell me about the video? Mm-hmm. 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 Clear. Mm-hmm. Okay, Fernando. Fernando, what can you tell me? Mm-hmm. It's true. Okay, students, very good. Very good summary of what you are doing in your videos. Now, chicos. Okay, the rest of the students. Lorena, Janice, Ruth, Fernando, please turn your cameras on. Okay, this is our last recording. So guys, we are going to have an exercise to practice IELTS model, like question number 3. We are going to talk for 4 minutes about something I'm going to show you. Okay, students, give me please a second. Let me set my time. Good. What happened to the rest of the people? Lorena, Ruth, Fernando, what happened with your cameras? It is on, but I don't see you. Ah, okay, now I can see you. Ruth and Lorena. Okay, students. Good. We are going to have this part. What is Listen guys, what is the important invention before the age of computer? What is the invention? Why do you think it is very important? What are the advantages and disadvantages of the invention? Okay. And then I'm going to ask you some more questions. What is the significant impact of modern inventions on life? Which skills do you want to study in the future? Do you think it is necessary to develop modern inventions in the countryside? Okay, so students, I'm going to give you 1 minute to think about the answer, and then you're going to talk for 4 minutes. Yes, students? Individually, yes. Okay, my dear students, time is up. It is time to begin giving your answers. So, who wants to be number 1? Chicos, who wants to answer number 1? Let's go with the last person who arrived to class. Okay, Javi. Okay, Javi, what is an important invention? The age of the computer. Mm-hmm.